Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of EDISON Science Corner. Today we are going to explore the Arduino ALVIK robot. ALVIK is a easy to use, cute little versatile robot that combines the power of Arduino with robotics. ALVIK can follow lines on objects like this. ALVIK comes with rich peripheral support so that we can connect different types of sensors and modules, and we can build tons of interesting projects. ALVIK can be programmed with Arduino IDE, MicroPython, and block coding. So in this video, I will show you the complete tech details, how to program the ALVIK, and finally some extra projects using ALVIK robot. Now, let's get started with this video. The Arduino ALVIK comes in this box. After opening, we get the ALVIK robot, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and some stickers. So here is the ALVIK robot. On the top side, we can see a colorful PCB and the Arduino Nano ESP32. So ALVIK has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with the help of Arduino Nano ESP32. Here you can see small holes. We can use these to connect jumper wires to expand the pins of Arduino Nano. You can see 7 button graphics on the PCB. These buttons are actually user programmable touch sensitive type. ALVIK also comes with 2 user programmable RGB LEDs. On the back side, you can see some connectors for external components and modules, which include 2 I2C Grove connectors, two Quick connectors, and 2 servo connectors. Also, there is an on-off switch in the corner. On the bottom side, we can see N20 34mm wheels and a metal caster wheel. Here you can see the line sensor array. Inside this opening, we can see the color sensor and gyroscope. On the front side, we have a time of flight sensor, which can be used for detecting obstacles. There are 4 M3 screw connectors on each side of the robot, where we can connect 3D printed expansions. Also, we can use these type Lego connectors in the middle, and we can connect other Lego parts. Now I opened the battery compartment and removed the battery. This is a 18615 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. Now let's turn on the ALVIK by turning on the switch. After turning on the ALVIK, you can see the flashing LEDs. ALVIK comes with a preloaded firmware. We can use the touch buttons to select the modes. First is the hand follower, second is the line follower, and finally we can program the movement of the ALVIK by pressing the touch buttons. Now let's open the ALVIK and see what's inside the ALVIK. After removing the 4 screws from the top side, inside we can see the main carrier board, which is based on the STM32 32-bit M4 ARM Cortex controller. The ALVIK moves using these two 6V 96 RPM N20 motors with an encoder. The encoder helps to get high precision movements. The Arduino Nano ESP32 has an RGB LED. If we connect the USB to Arduino without turning on the ALVIK, it will charge the battery of ALVIK, and the RGB LED turns red. The LED will change to green when the ALVIK is fully charged. Now let's see how to program the Arduino ALVIK. The ALVIK can be programmed by 3 methods. First is through Arduino IDE, then using MicroPython IDE like Arduino Lab, and finally by block coding using mblock. Block coding is kids-friendly. We can control the ALVIK without writing code. Here I am explaining how ALVIK can be programmed using Arduino IDE. I will make separate tutorials for the 2 other methods. First, open the Arduino IDE. Now go to Tools, Board, select Board Manager. In the coming tab, search for Arduino Nano ESP32 and install it. Then go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library, and search for ALVIK. Install ALVIK and ALVIK carrier libraries. After that, you can program the ALVIK. From the examples, we can use line follower, hand follower codes, etc. Remember to select the board as Arduino Nano before uploading the code. So that's all about the programming. Here I am just controlling a servo which is connected to the ALVIK. This is an ESP8266 based remote. We are going to control the ALVIK with this. Here I am using ESP Now communication between remote and ALVIK. You can find the code for this project from the video description. So that's pretty much all about Arduino ALVIK robot. Whether you are a kid, a student, or a professional, we can build different robotics projects using this powerful ALVIK robot. With the help of extra components, we can extend our creativity with ALVIK. I will make other tutorials too. You can find the ALVIK purchase link from the video description. Do check it out. So hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.